Hi, welcome to JuiceN'Bites with Fumi. I am Fumi, your host, and today I will be juicing a particular juice. It's called Lemon Ginger Blast. This juice is a very good juice for your overall health. You can see all the recipes that I'll be using, the fruits and the vegetables. I have apple, lemon, cucumber, parsley, and the likes. While I talk about the rest of the recipe, I'll continue juicing, and I'm using this cozy juicer for my juicing today. I am going to start with my apples, so I'll go ahead and cut the apple. I have them washed up already, so everything is clean. Apple is very rich in fiber. It helps with your gut health. It helps to regulate your blood sugar and your cholesterol. So apple is something that you should juice more often for your overall health. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and peel my lemon. Lemons are good in vitamin C. In most of the recipes you will find for this particular size of juice, most people use 1 lemon, but I prefer to use 2 because I love the taste of lemon. Lemon also helps you to balance your body pH level. Next, I'm going to go in with my cucumber. Let's cut it into smaller chunks. Cucumber is very rich in water, so it helps you with hydration. It also helps to support your skin health and helps to flush out toxins from your body. Next is my habanero. You can use half of this if you don't want it to be too spicy, but I love spice, so I'm going to add a whole habanero in there. So habanero increases metabolism and helps to burn fat. It improves blood circulation and also helps to clear nasal congestion. And turmeric, we have turmeric here. It contains curcumin. Well, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right anyways, but it's a strong antioxidant. It reduces joint and muscle inflammation and also supports brain and heart health. So I'm going to put this in my juicer. And next we have our ginger. Ginger is also a powerful anti-inflammatory. It reduces nausea and also improves digestion. Ginger also helps to boost circulation and helps with our metabolism. The next thing I'll be adding is our mint leaves. Mint leaves helps to soothe your stomach and it freshens our breath, and also helps to ease headache and stress. Mint leaves. With up is our cilantro. Cilantro helps to remove heavy metals from the body. It supports digestion and also helps with bacteria because it's an antibacterial. So go ahead and just put my cilantro in. And next is parsley. Parsley is rich in vitamin A, C, and K. It supports urinary tract health, and also it's a natural detoxifier. I actually love to have parsley in most of my meals. So the last thing is actually celery. Celery reduces bloating and also helps with water retention. It helps kidney function and also helps to lower blood pressure. So I'm going to use a whole bunch of celery. And just before I continue, I'll get this batch of juice out. If you find this video useful, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can ring the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop new videos. All right, so I'm going to get out the celery. I love the color of this juice already. And I'm going to strain that as well. And after I strained out the juice, here's what I have. And to this, I'm going to be adding about 1/3 cup of water. And this helps with the absorption of the juice and to also loosen the taste a little bit. And I'm just gonna mix everything together. And my juice is ready. And this is a 14-ounce bottle, so I have 2 of these. That's 28 ounces. And I also have about 9 ounces thereabout. So I definitely got a lot from this. All right, let's try our juice. Wow, this is perfect. You can have this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can start with a few ounces first if you're not used to it, and then increase the amount as you go. All right, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you sticking by to the end. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until I come your way next time, bye.